So, hey guys, we're at the beach. We're at Galveston Beach. And it's crazy because of the virus, and you know how there's a virus out? Well, the beach is packed with a lot of people. Here's Anthony playing.
Hey, we had all 2 months. Well, me, I had all 2 months to get out.
Anthony, say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm making
Yeah? Wow, and there's Camila. Come. Say hi. Oh, you do that? Okay. And I'm with my mother-in-law and her friend and friend's daughter, and Eric's over here flying the kite with Aaron. Where's Aaron? Oh, Aaron's over there. So his siblings are all over here playing on the beach. But babe, say hi to the vlog. Where's... This is my outfit, by the way. Oh my god. My panza at the second. This is my outfit. Eric bought me this necklace. It's a Gemini necklace with the pearl inside of it.
Hi guys, how you doing today? Today we're at Galveston Island. You already know how it is. We're right here with Mom and Patty. We're right here.
Look at this cute puppy. So Anthony had to pee, and I told him to go pee in the water. He goes to the water, pulls down his underwear, his butt is showing, and he starts peeing. So embarrassing. So I tied my hair because me and Eric got away for a little bit, but this is my mother-in-law. Say hi. This is Jackie. Hi. What? So we just ate some sandwiches and we're eating chips and popcorn, you know.
White cheddar.
The baby. What?
What?
I'm showing the baby.
I know.
You laugh about everything.
Well, because I thought you were talking about me. That's why.
They're having so much fun. We're just chillaxing or whatever. What, the kids? My mother-in-law, you know. How's my makeup look? What do you want?
Ain't it?
Here, hold it, baby. Hold it.
Hold it, dog.
Hold it. Can you hold it?
Look at the camera.
Eric's over there with his sister, brother, and family friend. Aww. Ah! He's trying to get me wet. Cam is over here. What are you doing, baby? No. Oh,
Hey,
where are you at right now?
I'm in the beach and in the water. And look, and in the water, and Eric's not here.
Where's Eric?
I don't know.
He's in the water.
You wanna?
So this guy has our kite and she's pulling it. Oh, they noticed. Aaron's, Anthony's over here digging Aaron in with the sand. Wait, does that even make sense? So the kids made a pool. Y'all need to put some more water.
We can't because
You want to build it, babe? You want to be Bob the Builder? Here goes Bob. Eric the Builder.
I need to wait Eric go.
Oh, you need to wait for Eric? Okay. Ay, cositas.
Mommy,
Oh my god, you can see Anthony's butt crack. Over there, but I'm gonna be looking inside the store or whatever. Those wanna be beats or what?
Mommy, look.
What?
Mommy, I got a kite.
Oh, okay.
I got a kite
Yeah.
for the beach. Mommy,
What?
Mom, I want this.
No, leave it alone. You don't even know what it is.
Oh,
No.
what is it?
Isn't that a bracelet on me? It's like what I got, but mine was a Gemini. And it was like
I'm gonna get
the necklace. And it has the clamp to put the pearl in the necklace.
Look at this one. Like,
He's gonna prank his dad.
Oh, look.
It looks kind of real.
It's real.
You're gonna prank him? Go show your mom.
Where is she?
Jackie! Look! Look. So Eric's brother got that henna tattoo and it looks good. It looks like a real tattoo. Everybody's gonna be like, oh, you got a tattoo? Look, Eric's always telling me to wear this necklace and earrings.
Come on.
What? Hold on, your mom's calling me. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. They have some pretty earrings and necklace. Look at the name on it. The E.
Yeah, why not?
You should have saw. See, they had a tattoo that said Priscilla.
Yes! Prank your dad like that, babe. Put Priscilla. I dare you. All the kids are going crazy with toys.
no, call me like Kenny. And Kenny.
Hey, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Give it back to her. Give it to her.
Money.
It's fake money. They have so many cute outfits and the cutest bikinis. Like, look at this blue. You can't tell me that's a cute color. So,
I love you.
okay, I love you too. Okay, baby. I know you. Oh. Anyways, as I was saying, oh, babe. Oh, that's cute. Huh? Ooh, these are cute.
I'm gonna get a neck tat.
No, you're not. This is cute. This would be cute in a different color, but oh my god, this red. That's cute. They have these, you know, sets or whatever, like, you know. They have cute clothes here. What? Like, that's a cute outfit. What? Anthony wants me to buy him everything. Wow, that's cute.
Mom, I'm gonna get two tomorrow.
One.
No,
Look.
I want it. Mom, I want two.
Eric, they're so, Anthony, they're so expensive. They're like $12.
Not this one. Oh, this is not $1.
Hold it.
Or
whatever.
This could be like my good side. No tattoos. Like no tattoos, and then this side.
I swear. You want to see on FaceTime?
Let me see.
Where are you?
Wait, don't show me.
Wait, it's good.
Let me see. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious?
It was cheap. You know how much it was?
It was 25.
It was 25.
Man, why did you put that on your neck?
It looks good. It's H-Town.
Oh my god.
It looks good though. Right?
No.
Why?
Is that a sticker?
No, it's not a sticker. It looks clean, huh?
No, it doesn't look clean.
Why? It looks gangster.
Oh no, why did you put that on your neck?
been wanting one on my neck.
Yeah, but not that one.
Why?
Yeah.
So it doesn't look good? Doesn't look good?
Looks crooked.
Yeah. I think you're just jealous because I got a neck tattoo.
Sorry, nigga, for that tattoo, but
Okay, bro.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.